generation of BMW's flagship X7 crossover with the factory code G67 is set to enter mass production in August 2027. The vehicle will retain the upgraded CLAR platform, which will allow both traditional versions with internal combustion engines and a fully electric variant which, for the first time in the model's history, will be given its own name, the iX7, to be produced on the same assembly line. The main visual and design feature of the body will be the complete elimination of traditional door handles. Instead, engineers have installed miniature electric activation buttons, similar to those on the new X5 G65. The engine lineup will remain extensive and cater to every need. The design of the next generation BMW X7 G67 will undergo a radical transformation, serving as a bridge between the brand's classic, monumental style and the new, futuristic Neue Klasse aesthetic. For now, you can check out this rendering of the future vehicle. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next videos.